In this video, I will show you how to use coins on AliExpress. So let's jump straight into it. Now, to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to aliexpress.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, on the homepage, you're going to see the coins icon just down here. So what you need to do is give this a press, and that's going to take you across to your coins screen. So you can see your coins balance at the top of the page. At the moment, I've currently got no coins, but what you can do is check in daily to top up your coins. So as I've just checked in, you can now see my balance is showing as 130 coins. Now on this page, once you've got some coins, what you can do is come down and you can see all the different ways you can use your coins. So what you can do is scroll through and choose an item you like. For example, let's take this watch here. If we go ahead and give this a press, it's going to take us to the product page. Now, from here, if you can use coins on this particular product, it's going to tell you how much of a discount you get from your coins. So if we actually come back onto the coins page, you can see that if you've got enough coins, you would get an extra 10% off. So as you can see, if you've got £5.15 worth of coins, you would get an extra 10% off this watch. Now, at the moment, I've got 130 coins. As you can see at the top, it tells you how much that's worth in dollars. And you can, of course, use that to get discounts on items from AliExpress. So what you can do is scroll through, choose an item you like, and just go through the normal process of purchasing that item. Now, when you actually purchase the item, the coins will automatically be added to give you a nice discount on your product. There's nothing further you need to do. You just simply go through the purchase process as normal. And what it's going to do is use those coins to add your discount. Of course, make sure to log in daily to keep collecting coins, and the more coins you get, the better the discounts are going to be. So that's how to use coins on AliExpress. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.